What's up, guys? This is Chris with CNT Automotive. Today we're going to be working on a 2005 Mazda 6. As you guys can see here, I'm going to turn the key on. As you guys can see, there is an airbag light that's on the car. So as you can see, the airbag light stays on. It's gonna come back on there. It's blinking. It's kind of making me a liar. Usually it stays right on. Anyways, guys, we're gonna fix that to where it doesn't blink and doesn't stay on constantly, so that it doesn't do anything. So what we're gonna do after running some diagnostics, we found out that the seatbelt buckles is what is causing the issue. So what we're gonna fix here, we're gonna put a new one of these on there, just where the seatbelt buckles in at. So in order to get that off, it's very simple. Almost anybody can do it, literally. So right underneath the seat here in the front, you've got two things like this up here in the front. They cover up like this here. There's going to be bolts underneath them. You can pop those off with just any old flathead screwdriver. There's a bolt there. And then on the other side, closer to the center console, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is another bolt inside there, right there where the light's shining. So there's another one there. They are just 1/2 inch. The standard socket's 1/2 inch. That's what's going to take that off. So once you get off that one, you come around to the back side of it. There's going to be two more. So if you slide the seat all the way forward, let me see here, I'm going to get the seat back forward. So if you slide the seat forward here, then you can get better access to the bolts. They're pretty much like right in your face with the seat all the way slid forward. And you can also have better access to the plugs. So as you can see, there's a bolt there. Now that bolt is covered up with the same type of cover. It just slides up under here like so, and it covers it like that. So once you get that off, pop it off with this flathead screwdriver. Over on this side, same situation, got another little cover like that there. Pop that one off, same situation, same bolts. So once you get those out, the seat will be able to come up. And as you can see here underneath it, you have the plug for the clicker there. It's where the seatbelt clicks in at. So I'm gonna get this taken off, guys, and I will be right back. Okay, so once we get the 4 bolts out of there, I'm sorry guys, it got a little dark on me. Once we get the 4 bolts out of there, so the next thing you want to do is swing the seat to the side. And once you swing it off to the side, some people like to take them all the way out. I don't see why you need to take it all the way out, only because I just need to get to this one bolt that's right here. So as you can see, this whole little thing there is what we're going to be replacing. That is the seatbelt clicker. This is exactly where the seatbelt clicks into. So in order to get that out, what we're going to do, you just want to take off that one bolt that's right there. It's literally right in your face. As soon as we get that one bolt off right here, then the whole thing will come off. There is a wire here that goes around to the front, that it goes up underneath over here, and it clips in. There's a plug underneath the front of it that it actually clips into. So all you want to do is just go in there, unplug that, twist this bolt off here, and once you twist this one off here, this whole thing will come off. And once that comes off, then you'll be good to go. Just put the new one on. It's a little hard to do it and hold the camera here. So once you put the new one on, then you'll be ready to go. And that should take care of the airbag light. Now, there's other reasons why you need to replace this other than just airbag light. Sometimes the clicker goes out, and when you go to put the seatbelt in, it just won't click. The little mechanism inside of here, the little mechanism that's actually inside the clicker here can actually go bad. I don't know if you guys can see inside there, but there's a little metal piece inside that when the seatbelt clicks into it, it can actually go bad now, and it won't allow the seatbelt to actually clip. So what I want to show you guys, when you're replacing the new one, there's a little guide right here, like a little nipple. If you guys can see that in the camera, it's actually right here. Once this little nipple there, when you put it up on here, you don't want this to pass that nipple. That's kind of your guidance. See how that there, you want it to be just like that. That kind of guides it so that when the person's buckling in the seat, it actually is where it needs to be. But other than that, with the new one, just clip it in or screw it in here and plug your plug back in, and then put your 4 bolts back on it. And as soon as you put your 4 bolts back on for the seats, you're good to go. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. Save you a little bit of money at a repair shop. It doesn't take much. If you got any questions, please leave them down in the comment, or please contact us, and I will do my best to reach back out to you and be able to answer any questions that you may have. Or if you have any videos that you may like us to do, or if you have any concerns going on with your own issues, I'm more than happy to help you with anything you have going on. Please don't be afraid to reach out to us. But other than that, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you again for the next video.